Welcome to the SYMPL Fusion video tutorial part 1, inserting modules in your SYMPL Fusion Base device. In this video, we show you how to physically insert modules into the Fusion Base device. To perform these operations, the Fusion Base device and the modules that you need are at hand. Also have a screwdriver PH1 at hand. For further information, see our other videos about the SYMPL Fusion, or check out our website and the information for use. Let's get started.
Hello, in this video I will show you the SYMPL Fusion. The SYMPL Fusion is a DIN rail device powered with 24 volts, has two USB ports, two Ethernet ports, a digital input and 4 slots. For these slots are modules available. One DMX port module with one universe, a module with 2 DMX universes and a DALI module. To insert these modules, the screw has to be unscrewed. We remove the lid. Then the module need to slide in the rail and plug it in. Then we place the blend and screw in the blend again. Here we see the boot up of the SYMPL Fusion. First, the power LED lights up. The LED of the DALI module indicates the DALI bus power. And the status LED shows the current load of the SYMPL Fusion. A green blinking light is showing that it's idling and we can open the Fusion in SYMPL Light. Thank you for watching.